Hey, what's up guys, it's Royalty, and this week I got some random clips again for you, but I also decided that I might just go get a GoPro, but I'll talk about that more at the end of this video, and I just want to let you guys know more about what this video is about, and it's some clips from when I was probably like 16, 17 years old of me riding, and some of my friends too riding, that I thought it'd be pretty cool to put out. And sorry that some of the clips aren't like wide angle and they're like shot with just phone, like straight up and down. It was a while ago, and most of these clips were clips that I posted on my Instagram a while ago, so that's why they're like that. I didn't edit the video on my phone, and to be honest, I feel like it just has like such a like regular video vibe to it, and I didn't put no music in it or nothing, and I was really just testing my editing skills out on the computer, and I really suck at it, and I know I'll get better at it, but it was just something for fun to just try it out, you know, because I've been just making all these videos like from my phone, and I know it's not like the most professional way to do it, so I'm just trying new ways, you know. Let me know what you guys think about it. I really feel like I can edit way better off of my phone than on a computer. It's just me. I have another iPhone that I know has a lot of good like bangers in it that I probably posted on Instagram, and it broke and I can't get it to turn on, so I can't get none of the clips, and like when I connect it to the charger, it doesn't even like turn on or anything. It's like I'm guessing the charger portal thing is like broken or something in it, because it just like it won't even show like the little battery sign that most iPhones show when you plug it in. So I'm gonna like eventually probably fix that phone just to get the clips out, because I also post these old clips for myself too, because I know when I get older, like way older, I'm gonna watch like most of my videos that I put out like a TV show in a way. So I just like to put like everything out, you know, just so I can go back and watch it. It's pretty cool, and it always gives you like a feeling, like a memory, you know. It's pretty cool. Like even with like the first video I dropped on this channel, it's just crazy like how time goes. Like even when I go back to that video, it brings back like that memory, and it wasn't even that long ago that I made that video, and it already has like that feeling to it when I watch it. So it's pretty cool to experience stuff like that, and I say you guys should do stuff like that too. It doesn't have to be with BMX or anything, just with anything you love, you know. It's pretty cool, because something about going back to like videos and pictures of certain things, it always brings back like that feeling and memory, and I think that's something that's pretty cool about life. you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think about like the style of riding of me. Does that make sense? Let me know what you think about the style of me riding has changed in a way. Let me know what you think about the progression of the riding that you've seen throughout the years. Now that you guys can recognize how I rode when I was younger. And I know you guys seen that Nigel whip in the very beginning of the video. That shit was way back. That was like when I really used to tail whip like that. Like, if you look at my how to tail whip video, I explain how I used to tail whip, like with my bike like landing before the floor or before the wheels. I mean, my bike used to land on the floor before my feet would even hit the bike, is what I'm trying to say. And it just came a long way, because that doesn't happen no more. And I feel like I've gotten a lot better at riding. Even though I missed like 2 years of riding, I wonder still sometimes like how good I would be if I would have never missed like those 2 years of riding. But it's all good, because I'm still like, I still feel good in my own eyes, so I feel happy and I'm good, man. You know? And that's really all I gotta say for this video. So hit me up in the comments or Instagram. Well, my phone's fucked up, so I can't really respond on Instagram, but when I get my phone fixed or a new phone, I will start responding and posting stuff on Instagram again too and stuff. My phone is only letting me post like YouTube videos, and I can't really text right now, and I really can't do much on my phone other than post YouTube videos. It's crazy. I mean, it lets me edit videos too, but like that's it. So like maybe all I'm supposed to do right now is fuck with YouTube. So that's all I'm doing. But other than that, peace out, guys.